Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change margin size in Google Docs. To get started, open your file in Google Docs. After that, in the File menu, click on Page Setup. Then, in the margin fields, you can set the size to use in the various options. Click OK and you can see this change applied. Alternatively, you can select all the contents of your file. Once selected, use the ruler at the top to set the desired margin by dragging the ruler to the desired location. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.